Okay, so the harness is run. I didn't have a switch, and I was kind of too lazy to go out and get a switch, so I'm gonna have to pull the fuse and then put everything back, and then once I get a switch, I'll put the fuse back in. But for now, I'm just gonna tinker with it a little bit. Now this thing's also touchscreen. Let's see. And I got a trackball, because trackball you don't have to move around like a mouse, and a keyboard, which this is pretty good. Feels good in the hand. It's not as good as a normal keyboard as far as if you wanted to play games or something like that, but you could definitely set everything up for your Raspberry Pi, RetroPie setup. Alright, so that's that.